Hi, my name is Jasper. I am on Team 51, the Wings of Fire, and I'm our electrical lead and technician. We are from Pontiac, Michigan. How our intake works is it's powered by an X60 Kraken, and it pushes down, and our bin pops out, and just has surgical tubing to pull it back. Our intake, our turret's currently locked, but our wiring runs along the back and down into the bottom where all of our electronics are. And our shooter is powered by two X60s, our hood is powered by an X44, and our turret spin is powered by an X44. So for our intake, this was kind of our last minute kind of thing. We based the intake on anything else that we did on our robot. So we had a couple different iterations. We ended up on this one with a bar that rolled, and we put some of the cat tongue tape on it. We knew we weren't able to have a motorized bin, so we needed a way for the intake to be able to push it out. So we have our actual intake roller is on an X60, and our pivot is on an X60 with a can coder. And it just works by the pivot, just pushes it down. It has a ton of resistance when you push it, but when the X60 goes, it's pretty much fine. Our Spindexer, it has two Omni wheels side by side, and they're both ran by X60 Krakens. And in the beginning of prototyping, we knew that there were two main ways for you to have an indexer. It was either a Spindexer or you have a moving floor. And we tested both, and we noticed that our Spindexer prototypes tended to work a lot better and had a lot better throughput. So we made a couple different iterations and ended up having the two Omni wheels side by side. For our transfer, this was one and done. We made it and it just kind of went. It is powered by an X60, and it just has two belts on a pulley that it just rolls it up. And for our shooter, this also was kind of a one and done. All we did was change the sizing and kind of how we can make sure it could fit in the box, but it's just a standard shooter that has a pivoting hood on it. I personally love all of our 3D printed designs on them. So our two biggest ones that are honestly my favorite are our little teepee we have in the middle. We just so that all the balls flow through, because we noticed that we had a dead point up there. And so we just added that, and I thought that was really nice. And right in front of our transfer, we have just kind of this like little wedge, because we would get balls stuck up and the belt going up through our transfer would catch them and they would just stay stuck. So those are two of my favorites. And honestly, just having a turret is cool because wiring it was really interesting to find out. My name is Jasper. I'm on Team 51, the Wings of Fire, and thanks for crossing with us.